Where your inventory sits can make or break global sales. Shipping from a single warehouse can add 5 to 15 days extra transit times, increase landing costs by up to 15%, and cause missed delivery promises, 10 to 15% international orders, as well as domestic. Forescape gives you an access to strategically placed fulfillment locations worldwide. In Paris, California, New Jersey, London, Rotterdam, China, and more upcoming. Putting inventory closer to the customers, a key ports. Everybody wants their products fast. With smart ordering, routing, real-time inventory visibility, and especially managing the carriers can save up to 20% your annual cost. Faster last mile delivery, lower landing cost, better global and local coverage can stop you failing and making your customers unhappy. Contact the Forescape today for more fulfillment location and fulfillment solutions, as well as getting the best offers to switching or testing our new locations and our warehouse options.
Contact us today and get $500 off your shipment.